Now y'all can see exactly which ones we're doing today. If you want to go ahead and mark these, that way you know exactly which ones I'm doing. It's all the ones with a gray, and better yet, I'll make them all blue. So all the blue dots, that's the ones I'm doing. Alrighty. So, I want to make today easy, and I also want to make it quick. When you have a fraction coefficient, you're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Everything else stays the same. Alrighty? So what's my first step? Well, that's my first step. Draw a line down from my equal sign. All right, then what do I do? Box my variable. All right, what's going on right next to my box? Adding. So how do I do, what's the inverse? Yeah, subtract. Different signs, they cancel out. All right, what is the reciprocal of 2/5? What's the flipped over version? 5/2, 5/2. And yes, I wrote it like that on purpose. All right, so reminder, these can both cancel out because they're both the same. I divide them both by 5. These can both cancel out, which is why I'm left with x. Now watch this. 4 times 5 is what?
20.
What's 20 divided by 2? 10. And guess what? I'm done. Then I can drop my nice little pin on 10 because I have an equal sign. Anytime you have an equal sign, it's immediately filled in. All right, is there any questions on that? So if you see a fraction, multiply by the flipped over version, the reciprocal. All right? Alrighty. Next one. That'll be right below it. Anybody need more time to write that one down? Okay. Yes? No? Okay. Just checking. Alrighty, so your next one. I'm going to have y'all walk me through this one. A what? Draw a line. Box my variable. Keep talking, y'all. So I'm going to add 3 because I see subtracting 3. And what do I get on this side? -2. So, I don't know if y'all have ever heard this or not, but it's same signs, add the 2, keep the sign the same. Different signs, subtract the 2, big one wins the game. So basically, I subtract them, and the number that looks the biggest is the one that controls the sign. Alrighty, then what? Multiply by what? Which is what? So I'll multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3/1, which is basically just multiplying by 3. These cancel out. I'm left with 1x is equal to what? -6. Is an equation, so I'm going to fill that in. All right, I'm going to just go ahead and go on down. Anybody need more time to copy that down? All right, can y'all see why I chose this one? All right, so what do? Draw a line, and then I box my variable. What's happening right next to my variable? So what's the inverse? Add 3. So I want to zero this out. And then I'm left with x over 2 is equal to 11. Now, what am I doing? What does that fraction bar mean? Division. So what's the opposite? Multiply. So I'm going to multiply both these sides by 2. These cancel out. Because that's technically 1x. So I'm still going to multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm left with x is equal to 22. And you can check it. 22 divided by 2. So that becomes 11 minus 3, which is 8. That works. That's a way to check it. Yes, please write in the check. All right, any questions?
No.
Anybody need more time to write that down? Okay, I'll wait. You good?
Yes.
Anybody else need more time? Okay. Can anybody guess why I did this one? Because it looks hard. Why does it look hard? There is. So why don't we do this? 7x minus... Ooh, I can't. Because of 12th. But I can do this. And make it look like this. Because the 12th is, I do believe, are repeating. If not, it's going to be a very big number. Hello. Thank you. So I have 7x minus 9/12 is equal to 12 and 1/12. All right, now that I've got common denominators, now what do? Draw a line. Then what? Box my variable. Alrighty, then what? Inverse, which is what? Adding or subtracting? Adding, I always do the opposite, which means those still zero out. What's 9 plus 1? 10. Okay. Now what? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and simplify this real quick, and I'm going to show you why. Yes, we're writing this a few times. So 72 plus 5, 77, 6. Divide by 7. Divided by 7. Y'all see why in the world I'm doing this now? So, 77 over 6 times 1/7. What'd I do? How'd I go from division to multiplication? What did I do? Keep change foot. Alrighty. I don't know about you, but I don't really want to go ahead and divide and then simplify 77 and 42. Do you? So, I can divide both sides of these by 7. I'm only left with 11 over 6 equals times 1 over 1. Now I could do 11 divided by 6. That goes in one time. So I have 1 and 5/6. 6 is a repeating decimal. That would have been 0.833333 repeating forever. All right, any questions? That was our last one, and I know it was the hardest. Your assignment is already in Google Classroom. Once you are done, if you have not yet finished your homework, it is due today. That means before the end of the day. I'll be here till about 4:30.